Welcome back to a brand new episode of Mastering Programming. In today's episode, I will be unboxing the Oculus 2, the Oculus Quest 2. I'll also be talking about why exactly I bought it now, like why not later, why not earlier, and what I'm planning to do with this, because I'm not only going to be playing some games, I will be doing some important stuff, so I'll definitely be explaining what I'll be doing using this and reviewing it. Before I begin though, I wanted to share with you that we now do snow globes, so we open a new business where we do personalized gifting. We have snow globes and I'll put some photos and links to that, and we also can print on wood, can print on acrylic, canvas, posters, signage, anything really. We have a huge gifting variety at the moment. Without further ado, let's get started and start unwrapping and unboxing the Quest 2. Alright, so we're back. We basically have this very flush and really nice box. You can see here it says Oculus. Here you've got an image of your two controllers and the VR set. On the back we've got a few different things like information about the games that it comes with, more information. But anyway, what I'm excited for is to actually open it. So let's just get it into a nice position, and you don't need like a cutter or anything. Everything is basically just grab and tear. So I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna go all the way just like this. Very cool. They make it very easy really, and then you can just grab it. I'm pretty sure I was not meant to do that, but here we go anyways. We'll start removing the original plastic. So after this point, ooh, that's a really nice feeling to the box. What we can do is, I'm pretty sure this is a slide out box, so we can just grab it and start pushing it just like this. Come on. There we go. And now we have this cardboard box, which honestly looks so premium. I love the packaging. I love the logo on the top. You can see it around. That's everything that it has. All right. So now you don't need to do further like tearing or anything like that. All we need to do is simply do this, and oh my god. Wow. The information here. Let me just expand for a little bit. Look at this. This is what we are presented with straight away. So we've got our right controller, we've got the left controller, some instructions here on how to set it up, which seems like it's very easy. I'm assuming this is a box of cables, and we'll figure that out very soon. So let's just slowly start taking things out. So we've got this box, let's open it. Everything just has this cute logo to it. And if I just remove this, I guess not the prettiest part. Oh, there we go. We are presented with an information package. I guess they're really coming after the Apple look. We've got, again, more information like the reference guide, the Oculus 2 Quest, some more information that no one really ends up reading. Here we have our charger brick, and we've got another USB-C cable. So everything comes with a USB-C cable now, which is honestly just insane. It's really good. All right, let's put this stuff aside, and maybe we can start focusing on the good stuff. So I'm going to lift this up first, and oh wow, okay. I originally thought it would be a little bit heavier. It's honestly not. It's very nice. It's smaller than I thought. It's clean though. Like everything about it is very well set up. You can really tell the material here is strong and nice, and there's a little bit of cardboard on it. We'll get back to that in a second. Let's try out with the controllers, and again, the controllers just feel so natural in the hand. Like everything is reachable by just your thumb and your two fingers here. Everything is clean. You can sort of like play around with it. It's very light. It also comes with a strap, which is a good thing. Left one, obviously exactly the same. There we go. Honestly, everything feels really premium. I really can't wait to start using this. Again, the logo is just over here. Not sure if you can see it. We'll just put this one here, just like that. And now we're presented with an empty box. But there is something here that I really like that they added, and that is the adjustable thing for your eyes. So it's a glasses spacer, and basically if you're like me and you wear glasses, what you can do is you can actually place this in between. I'll still check how this actually works because I'm not too sure, and basically this will allow you to leave a gap between the lens and your eyes so that you can actually look through this and use it as anyone else would usually use it. So now let's actually have a closer look at this. So again, this is the headset, and what I'll start doing is I'll remove that paper from the top. Oh wow, you remove it and that's it. Very easy. And now we're presented with the Oculus, again, very clean. Over here, I am presented with a little bit of more cables, I can tell, or there's something here. So let's have a look at this. Oops, that was not meant to tear. And again, I think we're presented, I'm not sure if this is a replacement or if it's just in case you're one of those people that sweat a lot, but we got this thing, it wraps around the actual headset. If we move forward, we can see here, move lenses left or right to find clearest view. So I guess using this, you can sort of like adjust the actual lens or the view of it. So again, we'll definitely be playing with this as well. Maybe we can start removing it. There we go. And now we're presented with the actual headset. So I'm not too sure if there's anything else here. Oh yeah, there is. We can maybe remove the plastic. I'm really stressed out removing this plastic. And let's just make sure there was nothing actually written here. So if I remove this one as well, yeah, we can remove it. There we go. And we're presented with the actual headset. So let me just show you a closer look. That's how it is. Everything is so clean. And it's so light as well. So let me just take it out of the view here to wear it for a second. So we're going back into this camera now. And hopefully the camera doesn't fall off. It looks like it will. And if I just put it on now, you should be able to see me wearing it. Alright, so I'm not going to put the spacer, I'm going to use it with my glasses on. And I can't. Okay, so we might have to make this a little bit like that. Okay, so first impression not so good. I cannot put it on my head. But let's have a look as to why. So you can expand it just like this, which I think that was the problem actually. And now if I just put it on again. Oh yeah, oh beautiful. In fact, I actually made it too big. So let me just tighten it on my head. Wow, this is insane. This is beautiful. This is very comfortable. I thought this would be so uncomfortable. I thought it would be really heavy, and I hope I'm looking at the camera, whichever one it is, but it's perfect. It's very clean. It actually smells really nice inside. Everything's really dark, except I can probably see from my nose, which is a good thing, so I'm aware of my surroundings. And you know what? It fits with the glasses perfectly. So let me just take this out. Let's try using this. So I'm gonna quickly just unstrap this, because I don't want them to fall in my hands. And let's do it here. There we go. So I got these ones, and you can remove this in order to actually make it work. So I'll just put it under this camera as well. But I'm not going to do that now. There we go. So we got one now. And same thing for here. Let's just remove it. And why I love these straps is because when you're wearing a headset, there will come so many times where for some reason you need both your hands, or like you just can't be holding both of these. So the best thing is that you can just let go. You can put your headset on and you'll easily just be able to find them. And I hope I am using them right. So that's it for the unboxing actually. I really wanted to try this out for a really long time. I was waiting forever for it. Here it is again. I'll let go. I'll take it off now. So this was very simple. It was very easy to do. It was very easy to complete. I love these controllers. I will start using this, and then I will definitely get back to you with another video explaining or telling you about my first impressions and how it feels like. But when it comes to unboxings, when it comes to the quality of this, I can really tell that they put a lot of effort into it. Just clicking it on nothing really feels great. It feels really nice to be able to do it. And I really can't wait to do so many things with it. Again, like I mentioned at the beginning, I'll be using this for development purposes. So I'll start building things from today. Actually, I've been watching tutorials. I want to start coding things into it. I want to start using it for my production, for development, use it instead of my desktop maybe, even use it to do apps and programs using VR. So I really want to focus on medical apps, maybe things that will help children, or just really make medicine a fun way. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let me know in the comments if you're planning on buying one of these or not. They're really perfect. I would recommend buying them, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a good day.